with your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the leg none, pity on think I got the type one, pick one, take it, I got the right one. These fat bitches you like is my son.
Okay guys, so welcome back to part 2, and we've done 5 rows for part 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, the checkered is going to start forming even better. So now we ended off with this color, so now we're going to continue with that color because we did 2 rows already. So now what you're going to do is just do from row 6 to 12. From row 6 to row 12, you're just going to do double crochets all around. We're not doing any more increases, and we're just going to keep changing the colors like so. So I've showed you how to change the colors, so now you should know how to change your color, and basically that's what we're going to do. Once we get to here, we're going to put this down. We're going to pick up the next color, and we're going to change like we normally do, and keep going, keep going, keep going with our double crochets. Once we get to the next one, we're going to change our color again, and now we're back with blue, and we're going to go again on top of the green, and this is what it should look like because we do 2 rows of the same color and then we switch off and do the same thing again. So okay guys, so now that you're done with the 12 rows, we're going to make the part that makes the hat flap out. So what we're going to do, we're basically going to take where we ended the increase row, the last increase. Okay, so what you're going to do to start off the brim, you're going to continue from where you left off for the increase row. So that's what I was showing you that you're going to do, and you're going to be working in the front loop only, but I will show you guys what that looks like so you don't get confused in a few. So you're going to take the color that you need, and so what we did when we did our last increase row was 3 double crochets and then an increase into the 4th one. So then now we're going to do 4 double crochets and we're going to increase in the 5th one, and then you can continue however many rows you want, however long you want the flat part of the bucket hat to be, and that'll determine how your bucket hat looks. You don't have to do a whole bunch. I think I did 2 rows, but yes, that's what I'm showing you guys right here. There's 2 loops, and you're going to go into the front loop, and you're going to make your double crochets and your increase. So first 5 rows, part 1, you're going to do your increase. Then row 6 to 12, no increases. And then 13 on, however many rows you want to do, you're going to do increases again. And that's how easy it is to make your bucket flap. So I'm just going to go and show you guys how to do it. So you see 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go into the 5th one, front loop only. And you only have to do front loop only for 1 row. I also want to point that out. You only want to do front loop only for 1 row. I will show you guys what that looks like in a second. And yeah, that's the gist of this video. Hopefully you guys like this tutorial. I really do appreciate you guys watching. Make sure that you check out part 1 if you're finding this. So you see it would have that little bump in the back right there. I'm going to show you on the other head as well, but that's what it's going to look like when you do front loop only, because you'll be able to flip your head up with ease and wear your bucket hat however you would like to wear your bucket hat. You can put a little tight tension here if you want it to be a little stiff, or size down for the flat part, so that way, you know, if you want it to poke out and stay stiff, but it will once you put the hat on. It's all up to your discretion, however you want to do the flat part. If you just follow these steps, it will come out like you see the regular hats come out, and it'll be just the same, and you'll be happy with your turnout. Especially with the checkered pattern, you could use 3 colors, 2 colors, it doesn't matter. You just follow the same pattern that I showed you guys. The link for part 1 will be in the description. Make sure you check out that first, or if you just need the flat portion, then just check out, keep watching this. If you just want the beginning portion, then, you know, check out part 1. But if you need everything, just make sure that you check out the whole tutorial, part 1 and 2. And then I go slow. I show you multiple times how to do something. Everybody should know how to double crochet at this point. If you don't know how to double crochet, then you can check out my beginner videos where I teach you guys how to do that. I will put that in the link, and that link in the description as well. And yes, enjoy the music until the video is done, and then I will show you guys what it looks like. Please subscribe and like this video, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, and welcome to the crochet community if you're a beginner.